Yeah, definitely, Suyash. Giving more and more competitive exams will 100% ensure that you can hold your nerves better in examinations. Basically, you have to remember that these competitive exams are not a test of just your intelligence or your aptitude. It is also your composure that is being tested. You can say that, okay, composure is not really needed in real life, but also probably I think composure is needed. Suppose you are actually a manager in a big firm and you get a devastating news. Okay, you are actually a manager for say 10 people and you get a devastating news professionally. Somebody is saying that, okay, maybe your company is shutting down, your department is shutting down, or your something has happened which is ground shattering, and all your subordinates are panicking. Now, as a manager, it is expected of you to hold your nerve and motivate your junior employees. That is a very important skill that a manager has. So you can, on that level, say that, okay, having that composure is very, very important for a manager, for sure. So probably that is something that they're testing, and that is also a skill which all of us should inculcate. We should be better at holding our nerves.